Now, you've really created a reputation for yourself as being the whiplash expert and the car accident expert here in Colorado.
That's true, and what we've done to build that reputation is we've created within our chiropractic and rehab facility a very specialized department staffed with experts, doctors that are 100% focused on helping people find a quick, full recovery from accidents, injuries like whiplash.
Okay, now, I think most people kind of understand what whiplash is when they're in a car accident, but there's probably a lot of things they don't understand. So can you explain exactly, in your expert opinion, what is whiplash and how does it happen?
Well, to put it simply, it's a very sudden and abrupt movement of the spine. It can happen in the neck, mid-back, or lower back. It can happen from a front, side, or rear impact. It happens in almost every car accident, even the small ones. There's always two things that happen here: tearing of tissue, muscles, ligaments, tendons, even the disc, and more importantly, there's usually an abnormal shape in the spine that's created from this injury.
And what kind of symptoms then do people see and have once they experience whiplash or they're in a car accident?
The most common symptoms we see in our office are chronic pain, stiffness, headaches that just won't go away. We see a lot of nerve disorders, numbness and tingling, disc problems, disc herniations, bulging. Even things like migraine headaches and carpal tunnel syndrome can be related to an old whiplash injury.
And you really are saying, too, that most people, when they're in an accident and they have a whiplash injury, they're not receiving proper treatment, are they?
We don't think they are. Primarily because the most common treatment is painkillers, muscle relaxers, which only treats the symptoms. It really doesn't treat the damage or the problem that's caused, like the abnormal shape of the spine.
Mm-hmm. Now, what makes your office different?
What makes us different is not just our reputation as the experts, it's really our additional skill, training. It allows us to find and fix problems that other doctors typically miss or just aren't trained to treat properly.
And now people are coming to see you first. And they're changing the way that they used to do things, because they used to go see their medical doctor, they used to go see an average chiropractor, but since they're just getting pills and they're not getting proper treatment, now they're coming to see you first, which is, good for them. Explain what happens when they come to see you then.
Well, again, our reputation precedes us. Most people come to us by way of referral, so we do a different type of evaluation. It's a little more thorough. We look for things, again, that other doctors typically miss. Patients pick up on that pretty much right away.
Now, we have a testimonial from one of your patients. She's actually been in not one but two car accidents. So let's take a look and see what she has to say.
Both of my car accidents were different. The first one, I was hit from the side, and my head hit the window, and my neck was just excruciating. And I came here, and they fixed me. The recovery for that one was pretty good, really fast. This most recent one, I was hit from behind on I-25, and that one has caused me a little bit more damage. I got whiplash again, which is not fun, but this time it hurt my lower back as well. And that's the part that's giving me the most difficulty. But they've worked on that with the adjustments, and they have massage therapists on site that help with that. And now I can actually move. It doesn't hurt to ride in a car anymore. I've had nothing but great experiences here. They honestly care about how you're doing and how you're improving and what can they do to make it better.
Now, you actually have a special offer for our viewers today.
We do. We would like to give people the opportunity to come into our office and meet with our doctors, our experts, get a very thorough evaluation, something different than what you'll find in your average medical doctor or average chiropractic office. Get a second opinion, perhaps, from us. In the end, we want to try to help people find what's really causing the problem, how to fix it permanently, and how to make sure it never comes back to haunt them in the future.
And again, I think that's such a great approach, because if you've been in an accident and you are in pain, when you go to see your medical doctor, like you're saying, typically they just give you pain pills, and all that is doing is masking what the problems are. I mean, you're getting in and finding out what is going on. How do we fix these symptoms?
Absolutely, and that's what gives us the power to give people the best results possible.
Excellent. All right, well, thank you so much for being here. Certainly appreciate everything you're doing for our viewers out there, and I'm going to tell them how to get a hold of you.